Hola Bella, our video is about how to build a flat pack garden office. As you can see, these are all the materials is being delivered, received by our friend who's going to build it for us, Mr. B. As you can see, it's a lot of materials.
Oh, so yeah,
Yes, God.
look at all this individual woods.
Yeah.
That'll be fun.
Bits in the garage. I'm putting bits in the garage.
All right,
Yes. It's not good.
he's excited. Ah,
It's all in progress.
that's good. Oh, look at that. Shut up. Update. So that's it. It's laid. The ground floor. Update there. So he put pebbles in here, and then that will be the office ground. He wants to see. Well, update. So the office is coming very well, coming along very well. That's what it should be, the size. Well, I love this path. So there's a path. That's the size of the floor, ground floor, and we'll see. And I love that the roses is being moved. Garage capped, not very happy.
End of day 2. Now on our third day, you can see the first wall is being installed and Mr. B is busy making the pallet.
It's a bit messy.
What? Wait. Wow, coffee. Woo! Oh my gosh,
Oh, it's starting to
suddenly
look like a
all
room.
coming. Wow.
It'll be quite big, isn't it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's quite nice, isn't it?
It'll be moving in.
I think I'm gonna steal it.
Yeah.
I want one. My goodness. Maybe we can have half.
Yeah. Half for you, half for Simon.
Yes. So update for today for flat pack office. So the walls are all in. There's 2 windows, and each pallet is being built individually because the wood, they didn't send a ready-made one. So look at that. So this is one pallet, window, yes, and this is going to be the floor area. Yes, Kiki. So there in that wall has 1, 2, 3, 4 pallet of wall, and 2 in that side, and there's going to be a window there. So far so good. And roof, hopefully tomorrow when the builders come back, it's going to be installed. What is the noise, Kiki? Yes.
Next one.
Update for the garden office. This is what it's being done today. The door frame is installed. This is the insulation. Look at that. The ceiling is also installed. So this is the window. This is day 5. Well, day 4 and 5. And windows. Garage. So this is going to be, and the cuts are coming. That's going to be the door. Hello. So the roof is coming on Monday. I cannot see up there, but that's how big it is. So it's quite good, really. Flat pack office, garden office. Today's update is just that one in there on the roof, and the rainproof will go when it's all done. I cannot see because, oops, update. So the roof are all completed, painted, and the frame of the door, and finally the floor. So let's come. The floor and all this framing of the joints. So everything here inside is finished. I just needed some painting. That's the gym is gonna be there. Then the computer desk and a bit of bookshelves. Isn't it, Kisa? Yes. So this is the flat pack office. You mean to do this for 2 days, but if you do it properly, it takes a while. Because things like this is quite fiddly. You have to individually install and duk and all that individual, and lots of nails, as you can see. Yeah. So it's out for 2 person. It takes 2 days to build the entire flat pack, but for 1 person it takes longer than that. So ayan. So it's all. So I'm gonna say the cost, the entire cost later, including the labor for the flat pack office, garden office. The outside. So long, and it's not finished, about to be finished. So this is how you do it. Update. So this is the inside, is being painted. Ooh la la.